Now, let me discuss about the working link of addition. In our last section, we discussed about what is Markovnikov. According to Markovnikov, the acid halogen attaches to the carbon, double bonded carbons already has more number of hydrogens. To that only the hydrogen of acid halide get attached. That we explain. For example, I have taken this one. This is an example. According to Markovnikov, if acid halogen, if you treat with the acid halogen like a hydrogen chloride, a hydrogen bromide, or a hydrogen iodide, this hydrogen attaches to the double bonded carbon already has more number of hydrogen atoms. This is the double bonded carbons, and which of these two carbons, which one is having more hydrogen atoms? So this carbon atom has two hydrogen atoms, and this carbon has only one hydrogen atom. According to this rule, the hydrogen atom of halogen acid attaches to the double bonded carbon has more number of hydrogens. So what is the reason behind that? Why the hydrogen of acid halide attached to the double bonded carbon having more number of hydrogen? So in this case we can see here the points. The rate of addition of hydrogen ion depends on the stability of intermediate carbocation being formed. See here, next point, rate of formation of carbocation depends on its stability. And third point, more stable the carbocation, that carbocation will form faster, and the product obtained from that carbocation is more predominant. Here the point is, carbocation, during the reaction, carbocation is produced as an intermediate, depends upon its stability. The predominancy of a product depends on the stability of carbocation, the product, stability of the product, and which product is more predominant and which isomer is more predominant during the reaction is identified. So actually, the stability order, the rate of formation of carbocation, order of the rate of formation of carbocation, tertiary carbocation is formed faster compared to secondary carbocation and primary carbocation because its stability. See here the rate of formation of carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is formed faster than the secondary. Secondary carbocation is formed faster than the primary. Why we are following this order? That is depends upon its stability. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary carbocation than the primary carbocation. That's why the stable carbocation is formed faster than the other. Here the tertiary carbocation is more stable. That's why it is the rate of reaction of the tertiary carbocation is more. It is more active. If it is more stable, the compound, the tertiary carbocation is more reactive. So that's why the reactivity is faster in case of tertiary carbocation because of its tertiary carbocation is more stable than the primary, secondary and primary. So like that, see here, for example, this is an alkene, this is the propene we have taken, this is the propene, and this propene is first of all, before reacting with the HCl or hydrogen halides, this is the lone pair, this is the pi electrons, this is the pi bond, and these pi electrons are moving towards any one of the carbon atom of these two double bonded carbons, any one of the carbon. Either the pi electron density may move on second carbon, or otherwise the pi electron density may move on the primary carbon, this carbon. If we will see both the cases. If the pi electron move towards the second carbon, see here these pi electrons, the pi electron density move towards the second carbon, so that's why this carbon getting negative charge. And now what happened here? This two electron density, the two electrons are moving towards the carbon atom. Carbon atom, this carbon is getting now. This carbon is getting octet because this carbon is getting octet. These two electrons, and these two electrons, and the 6 electrons. So overall, this carbon is getting how many? See, these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This carbon atom is getting a octet compared to, say, what about this carbon atom? Now this carbon atom has only 6 electrons, right? This carbon atom has only 6 electrons because 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. This carbon has only 6 electrons. This carbon has 8 electrons. And here, as a result of this one, when this hydrogen halide is dissociated, H plus and Cl minus 1 cation and 1 anion is formed, and this H plus ion, see, this is a secondary carbocation. This is a primary carbocation. This is the primary carbocation. Primary carbocation means, see here, this carbon, the positive charged carbon attached to another carbon. In case, see, this is the carbon atom. This carbon has positive charge, and this positive charged carbon attached to remaining two carbons. This is secondary carbocation. If the carbocation attached to three other carbons, it is a tertiary carbocation. This is the tertiary carbocation. This one is secondary carbocation. Otherwise, only, for example, this is the carbocation present at the end of the chain. So this is the carbocation, this is the carbon has positive charge, and this carbon positive charge carbon attached to another carbon. So this is the primary carbon. This is the primary carbocation. In this case, this is secondary and it is a tertiary carbocation because the positive charge carbon attached to three other carbons, and the positive charge carbon attached to two other carbons, and the positive charge carbon attached to only one carbon atom. So in this case, this is the tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and primary carbocation. Cation, that means the carbon has positive charge. Anyway, now, see, in this case, we already explained the stability order of the carbocation. This stability order of tertiary carbocation is more stable. That's why the tertiary compound is formed faster. So in this case, we can see both the conditions. For example, the electron density is moved towards the second carbon. This carbon is getting negative charge, and this carbon is getting negative charge. There is a positive charge hydrogen get attached here, and negative charge ion attaches to this carbon. Yes or no? The negative charge chlorine attached to this carbon because it is a positive charge carbon cation, and the positive charge hydrogen attached to the negative charge carbon. Yes or no? See here, we have to write only, So now this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This carbon has octet, right? But this carbon has only 6 8. That means this carbon has only 6 electrons. This carbon has 8 electrons. This carbon is getting the octet, but this carbon only has 6 electrons. This is an unstable carbon. So that's why the positive charged hydrogen attached to this carbon and negative charged ion attached to this carbon. But here the order of the stability, in another case, if the pi electrons are moving towards the positive this carbon atom, primary carbon. In this case, the pi electrons move towards this carbon. Now in this case, the pi electrons are moving towards this carbon atom. What happened here? As a result of this one, this carbon is getting negative charge because already this carbon has two hydrogen atoms. These two electrons 4 and 6. These two electrons 8. This carbon has octet now, but this carbon has only 6 8 because two hydrogen atoms attached to this carbon. Two hydrogen atom is 2 bonds. 2 bonds means 4 electrons plus these 2 electrons. Total this carbon has 6 electrons. This carbon has 8 electrons. Now what happened here? In the first case, This is the primary carbon, primary carbocation. If electrons are moving, the pi electron density is moving towards the second carbon, we are getting primary carbocation. And if pi electrons are moving towards the first carbon, we are getting secondary carbocation. Yes or no? This is the secondary carbocation because this positive charged carbon attached to the two carbon atom. In this case, this carbocation attached to only this carbon. We explained that this carbocation attached to only one carbon. But in this case, this carbocation attached to two other carbons. So that's why it is a secondary carbocation. This is the primary carbocation and this one is the secondary carbocation. So primary carbocation, secondary carbocation. Among these two, which carbocation is more stable? According to these two, secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. If secondary carbocation is more stable, then automatically secondary carbocation product is formed faster compared to the primary carbocation product. So that's why here the hydrogen atom, see here, according to stability, in this case, this product is more stable because secondary carbocation is formed faster. For example, if you calculate the time, for example, for the formation of this carbocation, it has taken 5 minutes. For the formation of this carbocation, it has taken only 2 minutes. It has taken only 2 minutes, it has taken 5 minutes. For the formation of primary carbocation, it has taken 5 minutes and it has taken 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, this compound converted into secondary carbocation, automatically product is formed. But if it has taken 5 minutes, after 5 minutes the product is formed. So that's why here, according to rate of reaction also, secondary carbocation is formed faster, so that's why its product is more stable. So now see, so that's why, so this is the, according to stability order, the carbocation, this is the primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and this is the primary carbocation. Now see, so here the positive charged chlorine atom, this is the positive charged carbon, right? So this is positive charged carbon, chlorine attached, and this is the negative charged hydrogen atom, carbon. This is the negative charged carbon, and this one is the positive charged carbon. So positive charged carbon attached to the chlorine, negative charged carbon attached to the hydrogen atom. This hydrogen attached to negative charged carbon, and this Cl minus negative charged chlorine attached to positive charged carbon atom. So now we already, according to Markovnikov, hydrogen atom of halogen acid, this is the hydrogen of halogen acid attached to the double bonded carbon having already more number of hydrogen atom. That is satisfied or not now? Now this hydrogen atom attached to this carbon. This is more stable. That's why hydrogen atom attached to the already the double bonded carbon has a more number of hydrogen. To that only the hydrogen will get attached. We have seen both the cases. In the first case, the hydrogen atom attached to the double bonded carbon has least number of hydrogens. In the second case, the hydrogen atom attached to the double bonded carbon has more number of hydrogens. Among these two products, we obtained two products, right? Among these two products, this product is more predominant. The reason behind is that intermediate carbocation formation. Here the carbocations, two types of carbocations are formed. This product is producing one type of carbocation and this product is producing another type of carbocation. There is a competition reaction takes place between these two. So out of this competition, secondary carbocation wins because it has more stability compared to primary carbocation. So that's why secondary carbocation is formed faster and its product is formed very faster compared to this one. So it is also trying to form, but it is taking more time. Its products will form in somewhat more time. It will take more time compared to this one. This product is formed very faster manner and it is slow manner. Anyway, this is the reason behind. According to Markovnikov, now the explanation is why the hydrogen atom is attached to only the carbon having more number of hydrogen atoms. That is satisfied here. Next, see another case. In this case, for example, the pi electrons are moving towards this carbon atom. The first case, moving of these pi electrons towards this carbon. What happened here? When these pi electrons are moving towards this carbon atom, already these two hydrogen atoms are forming a bond, two hydrogen atoms. These two bonds, 4 electrons, 6 electrons and 8 electrons. This carbon is more stable, but this carbon has only 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This carbon has only 6 that is 6 electrons are there. Now, this is the carbocation generated when these pi electrons are moving towards this carbon. When, another case, when these pi electrons are moving towards this carbon atom. In the previous case, these electrons are moving towards the primary carbon. This is the first carbon. When the pi electrons are in another case, when pi electrons are moving towards the second carbon, what happened here? The carbocation is generated here. Carbanion is generated here. This is the carbanion, this is the carbocation. Now, so this is the one carbocation, this is another carbocation. We have same in the first case, moving an electron towards the primary first carbon, or otherwise the electrons may shift from. This is the option we have. Either the electron has to shift towards the primary first carbon, or otherwise second carbon. If electrons are shifting towards the first carbon, this is the case. If electrons are moving towards the second carbon, this is the case. Anyway, now we got two types of carbocation. What about this carbocation? Either this one is primary carbocation, secondary or tertiary. It is a tertiary carbocation because this carbocation attached to 1, 2, 3 carbons. It is a tertiary carbocation. But what about this one? This carbocation, this carbon attached to only this carbon. It is a primary carbocation. It is a tertiary carbocation and it is a primary carbocation. According to the stability, which carbocation is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable compared to the secondary and primary. And which carbocation is formed faster? Tertiary carbocation is formed faster because its reactivity is more. Due to its stability, more stability, that carbocation is formed very faster. Tertiary carbocation, say there is a competition between the primary carbocation and tertiary carbocation. Among these two, tertiary carbocation wins because it is having more strength, more stability. That's why the tertiary carbocation wins. Its product is formed faster compared to this one. So anyway, tertiary carbocation is attached, and the hydrogen atom attached to the negative halogen atom attached to primary this carbocation. This is Cl minus and H plus attached to this carbon. H plus attached to this carbon atom, and negative Cl minus attached to chlorine, Cl minus attached to this carbon. In the second place, again the HCl, H plus and Cl minus. This H plus attached to this carbon and Cl minus attached to this carbon. So anyway, we got two products. This is the we predicted two types of products, two isomers. Which of these two isomers? Which isomer is more predominant, more chances to form? This product is more chances to form because the tertiary intermediate carbocation is tertiary carbocation in this case. So that's why it is more stable. And in this case, the intermediate carbocation is primary carbocation. It is less stable than the tertiary carbocation. And among these two, the competition win by this competition among these two. There is a competition, chemical competition. So here the reagent is more consumed by the tertiary carbocation, because it is forming this molecule, this type of carbocation, tertiary carbocation and intermediate intermediates are formed very fast. For example, in 5 minutes, for example, for our explanation, in 5 minutes, 50 tertiary carbocation molecules are formed. In the same 5 minutes, only 10, for example, only 3 primary carbocation intermediates are formed. This 50 carbocation intermediates are consuming HCl more amount, and these 3 primary carbocations are consuming less amount of HCl. So that's why more product is formed by tertiary carbocation compared to the primary carbocation. Anyway, now according to Markovnikov, so according to this, now we are applying Markovnikov. According to Markovnikov, the hydrogen of halogen acid attached to the alkene, the double bonded carbons already has more number of hydrogens. As per his rule, the hydrogen has to attach to this carbon. See, if the hydrogen has to attach to this carbon in these two explanations, so which one is more? See, the hydrogen attached to this carbon. Already the carbon has 2 hydrogens. To that carbon only one more hydrogen is attached, because tertiary carbocation is formed. See, in this case again, the hydrogen attached to the carbocation, the double bonded carbon has less number of hydrogens. This carbon do not have any hydrogens. If the hydrogen attached to this carbon atom, this product is formed. But this product is not forming, or otherwise it is formed very less quantity, because the intermediate carbocation is less stable and its carbocation is more stable. So here the carbocation concept is coming to the discussion, because according to Markovnikov, the intermediate carbocation, which carbocation is formed, according to that only the product is depends. So that's why here the rate of addition of hydrogen, is depends on the stability of intermediate carbocation being formed. So in this case, the rate of formation of carbocation depends upon again the rate of formation of carbocation depends on stability. If carbocation is more stable, that carbocation is formed very faster. To that carbon only the hydrogen get attached. That is the concept here.